Kristen, and I have a 2018 Nissan Armada, and I've had screen issues, and I'm gonna try and fix it myself. Very to little no experience. So the car is running, I have a black screen, my camera works. I put it in reverse, it will come on for a moment and glitch away. Press camera again, you know, sometimes it'll come back on, but for the most part it just stays black. Every now and then will flash white. Okay, here's the package you get. It comes with your pry tools, and then the SD card is in here. So the first step is you take your shifter, you push this down. And I already took this off, but this is like a cotter pin, and it was like right here. So you pull this out, and then that's able to bring this off. And then the next, you pry. My car is dirty, but I used the pry tool, and this part was kind of hard, but I dig in, and you get push harder, and then it's able to lift up. So as you pull it up, there's going to be 2 cords under here that you disconnect. So this was like wound up under the thing, and then there's this one. Okay, next you take off these side panels. You stick your hand down, and you pull, and it will loosen it all up, and you pull them off. Okay, got both those off. They're right there. And you're gonna remove the 2 screws, one here and one here. And you're gonna pull this off. Left it all connected, and I gotta remove the vents. These 2 top screws. And pull the whole thing off. So next is the 2 screws down the bottom. You can see what the screen does. Big one, the little one, and then these are all color coded to right here. Back at 2 on that side, 2 on that side. That's the torque. This does the trick. Okay, got it all put back together. Moment of truth.